this is Shafaq. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do a messy voluminous bun like this in just 5 minutes. 5 minutes, I'm also saying a lot. It's just gonna take 2 to 3 minutes. This bun is very easy, quick, and anyone can do this. So if you want to know how to get this voluminous messy bun in just 5 minutes, keep on watching. First, I'm using my detangler and I'm gonna brush all my hair back like this. Now I'm gonna grab all my hair upwards and tie them up into a tight ponytail using a black hairband. And I'm tying my hair as high as possible. Now I'm gonna pull out few hair from front and side, loosening my ponytail and to get a little bit volume in the front. Now I'm gonna tilt a little bit so that you can have a clear view what I'm gonna do. I'm holding my ponytail up and pushing all my hair back down with the help of my fingers like this. Now I'm gonna even out my hair a little bit with the help of my hand and with very less pressure. You don't want to flatten the poof you have gotten. And now I'm gonna twist my ponytail in clockwise motion like this so that all my hair comes a bit together. And now wrap it around my ponytail like this and securing it with a bobby pin. Now I'm taking few of these hairband pins and I'm gonna fix all the hair pieces that are coming off, adjusting them wherever they settle with the help of these hairband pins. Now I'm gonna pull out the hair of my bun like this to make it look a little bit messy, and I'm gonna keep pulling all the hair from my bun from all the sides until I'm happy with the shape and size of the hair bun. Now I'm securing my hair bun from the front and sides also with the help of my bobby pin. Now using Tresemme hairspray and spraying it all over my hair bun to keep it all day long. Now pulling out the hair from the front and sides, and this time I'm also gonna pull out the hair from back also to get the volume all around my head. Keep pulling out until you're happy with the volume, and in the end I'm pulling out few pieces of hair from the front also to give it a more natural yet messy look. And yes, we are done. So this is my final look. Hope you all like this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, please hit the like button down below and also subscribe to the channel so that you won't miss any of my video. And please do comment below and let me know how did you find this video. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Snapchat.